If your Toyota RAV4 dual-zone climate control is blowing hot on one side and cold on the other, you have a common actuator issue. Nearly 9 out of 10 cases of uneven cooling in this model are caused by a failing blend door actuator motor. Let's break down the diagnostic steps to confirm if your actuator is truly dead. Start by checking refrigerant levels and performing a hard climate reset before tearing into the dashboard. The most common culprits are the driver or passenger side blend door actuators, which physically move the flaps that mix hot and cold air. Listen for clicking sounds behind the dash, which almost always indicate that the internal gears of the actuator have stripped out. Most actuators are accessible behind the glove box, but some deeper units may require significant dashboard disassembly. Replacing the actuator yourself saves hundreds in labor, provided you can reach the mounting screws without removing the entire dash. If the problem persists, use a multimeter to verify that the climate control module is actually sending power to the actuator motor. You will need a basic set of trim removal tools and a compact screwdriver to access the tight spaces behind the center console. Safety first, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components or wiring harnesses behind the dash. If you're still stuck, verify your blend door linkage isn't physically jammed before buying a new part. Thanks for watching.